Hello guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Bubba Certified, and today we got a different one for y'all. It ain't no pulling out no motors today or disassembling. Today we actually changing out tires on this 30-inch bagger. It's gonna be a pain to change them out, but I'm gonna take y'all through the process on how I do them. So I'm up here at my buddy Miguel's shop. He's owner of Lane Splitters, if y'all can't tell by the jacket, but we just gonna dive right into this. So I'm gonna get this front wheel pulled off, and then we're gonna deal with the headache of the back wheel. But stay tuned. All right, so we got the front wheel all off. Look, this thing's up to my waist. This rim is huge, but these chrome caps gave me a hard time, but I got it. All right, so first things first, we're gonna let the air out of this tire. Man, if y'all haven't seen one of these wheels in person, this thing is huge. And I hate doing them. Tennessee wire, just a minute. All right, so I got the tire off. Now it's time to throw the new one on. All right, so we got the front tire all done. Took me about damn near almost an hour to do, but it's all done. All right, now that we got the front wheel all done, now it's time to go to the back. So it's a little 16 on the back. So get this one knocked out pretty quick. All right, so I got the back tire off. Customer was riding on this. So I had recently replaced the back shifter shaft back here. And while I had the bike up in the air, well, delivering it back to him, I saw that big chunk out of the tire. So he went and bought some new tires, and now I'm replacing them. All right, so this one's pretty much the easy one out of the two. So this one I get knocked out very quick. Pull this valance down, pop the bead. Alright, so I got the old tire off. This tire actually dated back in, this tire was made in 2014. So 49th week of 2014. So now it's time to throw in a new one. All right, so we got it all done. Both tires changed out. Now it's time to take for a little test drive. All right, so that pretty much sums up today's video on this bike. But these tires were a pain to put on, but got them done. Fresh meats on there. So customers should be good for a long time with these. So I'm gonna get it loaded back up on the trailer and took him back to him. Oh yeah, and also today's his birthday, so just helping him out with this one. So he's just happy I was able to fit him in on the schedule. So hope he loves it.